Alright, so I got a session in front of me. I got a loop that I'm working on, and I don't like the way it sounds. I'll put some compression, I want to try some EQ. Doesn't really work out. I can't find the breakdown, so I really can't do anything but process the hell out of it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. First, let's play the whole session. So I got two plugins here. It's the CLA 76 Bluey. So it's definitely helping out. But let's say you wanted to do more. There's a cool plugin that I found, and I've actually had this in my plugin arsenal for quite some time. So what I ended up doing here, I created a playlist. So I'm gonna go to that playlist. It's gonna get rid of everything, and I wanna load up this plugin here. Regroover. Some of you guys have probably seen this for the first time. This thing is amazing. So I'm gonna load up that loop. It's gonna analyze. Let's give it some time. Exactly. It broke it down into its own individual element. So the volume's a little too hot, so I'm gonna bring that down. Let's play this. But we can actually solo and disable certain tracks. So I'm gonna solo the first one. How many of us wish we had something like this a couple of years ago? You wish you can just rebalance that loop and fix it up. But if you guys are interested in this plugin, let me know. I'll be more than happy to make a video and we could break it down.